Alright guys, so I don't know if you can see this on the screen because it kind of looks, just the color doesn't seem right, but here you see some burnt look, some dead look, and then over here looks good. So what I've done is actually killed off all my grass through here. You can see the line of where I killed, and had to do a lot of cleanup at this house. So anyway, I've killed everything, and now I'm getting ready for a mini renovation. Alright, so what I've decided in the meantime, I've got a few weeks of time where I'm not really going to do anything to the front yard and side yard, where I'm actually renovating with the tall fescue. So my backyard's a lot of sunlight, hardly any shade, and I'm not sure I want to really do fescue back here. I really think I prefer a shorter turf in the backyard, and that's for my son, and you know, just to play and do whatever, and just, you know, it's very durable, holds up much better. So what I've done is I've went and like I said, I've sprayed this. It's about 1,000 square feet because I got a 2-pound jug of Bermuda seed. So I've got 1,000 square feet that I've sprayed off, and I'm gonna try to get this going pretty quick. It's already got some Bermuda in it, but it's a warm season turf, so I'm gonna go ahead and kill everything off, and then I'm going to scalp it and try to break up the dirt a little bit and plant my seed and get the water on it. And I should be done with the religious watering before I start my seeding my fescue. Hopefully, we'll see. But either way, it won't be a big deal. This is just 1,000 square feet, so not too hard to water this area. Today, what I've done. All right, so first off, I sprayed this yard on July 4th, which was 4 days ago. And already I'm getting quite a bit of yellowing in the grass, a lot of dead spots starting to come through pretty well. And also today I actually sprayed some Humic 12 and Aerate from Green County Fertilizer, and went ahead and sprayed that down. I'm trying to go ahead and get started on the dirt, but once I put the grass seed down, then I may start spraying the RGS, and I may do another round of the Aerate or something like that. Just try to get the dirt in good position, and get the seed going, and put down a starter fertilizer, and see if we can't get a nice Bermuda in before the temperatures cool down. So we've got the rest of July. So I figure by the time I get the seed down, we're looking at halfway through July at least before I get the seed down. So we'll have the rest of July and August and September. So 2.5 months, and then in October it starts cooling down. And just depending on the weather, you know, it could cool down a lot, or it could kind of stay warm for a while. You know, we may be able to keep it growing a little bit through October. We're not sure though. That's a tough call there. All right, so here is my seed. This is Riviera Bermuda grass by Johnson Seed Company. According to the thing here, which I don't think anybody ever talks bad about themselves, but it says rated #1 overall in the INTEP trials. So superior turf quality, excellent winter hardiness, drought tolerant, excellent color, spring cleanup, wear tolerance, spring dead spot resistant, is fast established from seed, and excellent divot recovery rate. This should cover 1,000 square feet, no problem. The only thing I'm not crazy about is, I don't know if you can read that. That's not focusing too well, but anyway, it's 00.01 weed seed. I really don't know if you can even get Bermuda seed without it. I'm not sure. I mean, this is supposed to be a pretty high quality seed, so I think that's just probably the way it's going to be. Alright guys, so I appreciate you checking in on this video. It's just a quick update, that's all. There's not a whole lot going on in my front yard, as I'm just kind of waiting on the timing to come in where I can start spraying and killing off the grass. I like to keep it what I got as long as I can. So I appreciate it. If you like the video, please give it a like, and subscribe if you want to see more like these. Thanks guys.